Hi everyone, in this whole video I'll be showing you how we do polish for the idols or some kavachas or some face or some handicraft items, how we do the polish. It's a brass face, a goddess face. I'll be showing you in the whole video how we do the polish. I will only be doing the polish in this video. You can see because many people have been doubt that regarding this polish and coating. There is a lot of difference. There is a lot of difference between the polish and coating. The coatings will be done for a metal which is not original or to some other metal. So for example, the steel in steel, some item will be done or that item. The look of the item should be looking like a gold or some silver. It should look, but it will be done in from steel. It will be done on something. Some other metal will be used. For that, the coating will be done. Coating is a layer which will be attached, or a layer will be done. The layer will be kept. The layer will be attached to the metal, so that it will be resembling the color of the gold or silver or something else. It's a coating. But polish is based on the polish depends on the originality of the item. If the item or a handicraft item or anything, it might be a silver, it might be a gold, it might be a brass, it might be a copper. The item which is done from that metal, based on the purity of the metal, the polish will come. If the 100% the pure metal is, the polish will be like wow, polish will be coming based on that metal. If the metal is not pure, for that metal, for example, a brass idol is there, brass Krishnas and all. If you have seen in the camera, you will be able to get, it will be done antique. In those Krishnas and all, the original brass metal will not be used. Around 50 to 60% brass, and remaining will be around this scrap metal. Then some other metals will be mixed. The low quality metal will be mixed, and then it will be manufactured. So it can't be polished. So they will be doing antique. Antique can be done. The metal is duplicate metal also. Antique will be done for duplicate metal. Usually, it will be done. But if the metal is good, the polish will be done. In this whole video, I will show you how we do it. I will only be doing it. Video how the polish was done by me. In this video, I want to say that clearly disclaimer that don't try it in home or don't try it without a prior experience or without a knowledge of how the chemicals has to be used. Otherwise, the item which will be trying will get lost. It will not be getted. It will not be able to make it. You will not be able to make it the way we did, because I also learned with all experiments, experiences, and getting the knowledge from my father and a known person for experienced people. By that way only I also learned. Without having the knowledge, please don't try it in the home. Only for viewing purpose and a knowledge purpose, this whole video has been done. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, for more knowledge and educational videos regarding the handicraft work. In next video, I will be showing you the wax models which we do, and I will only be doing it